Welcome to the online IAIA Youth Garden Program. Good afternoon. Today we're going to show you how to build a 4x4 raised bed, and I'm going to tell you about some of the tools and the supplies that we have here for this project. So I went ahead and purchased 4 2x4x8 boards, and that's what we have here. And then we also need some scrap 2x4 pieces. Some of the other tools and supplies that we're going to need for this project is cordless drill, a 1/4-inch drill bit, a Phillips head driver, and 2.5-inch wood screws. So my purchased boards, my 2x4x8s, I went ahead and cut into halves. And the reason why I did that is our 8-foot-long boards will now become 4-foot-long boards. So your 2x4 boards, we're going to cut these now, and we're going to make them the width of your 2x4 boards that you previously cut. So the reason for that is once we start assembling it and lay them down together, these will make your boards nice and sturdy. And in the end blocks are going to help stabilize the rest of your 4x4 bed. So now we're going to go ahead and pre-drill our boards, and we're first going to start with our 2x4 scrap pieces.
Finish pre-drilling the remaining pieces. Next, we will pre-drill our 4-foot-long boards.
Going to assemble our support blocks to our boards here, our 2x4 boards. And because we have the pre-drilled holes, it makes it a lot easier to put in the support blocks into the 2x4 boards.
Our scrap pieces are now fastened to the 4-foot-long boards.
We can go ahead and start with the assembly. So these two boards will be facing opposite of each other. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and finish assembling our sides together. So we're going to do one corner first. And how we want to assemble this is we want to have our free 2x4 without any end blocks sitting on the outside. So then that way our support end block right here is sitting on the inside. So now we're just going to go ahead and drill one of our boards into this setting.
And we're going to do the same to the other side.
Again, we're just going to make sure that our boards are flushed with each other. So this is flushed on this side. And our end block again is sitting on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and finish assembling. So now after we drilled this side, we went ahead and we finished assembling the other 3 corners. Now we're gonna go ahead and pre-drill another hole from the top of the blocks into this support block. That way it makes it a lot sturdier. And you want to make sure that as you're going to pre-drill that you're not going to hit the other underlying screws from your previous section here. So we might have to move that over a bit. Well, let's go about right there. Alright, there is our pre-drilled hole, and I just want to also bring you around to this side. So that hole is going to be between the width of your support block. Okay. Now that we've finished fastening 2 more 2.5 wood screws into our settings for each corner, our raised bed is stabilized. So now we have a completed 4x4 raised bed. Congratulations, you've just completed your raised bed. Happy gardening!